Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today I will be talking about OGN Origin Protocol. Of course, I will make a technical analysis and the price prediction for it. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you so much already for the support and let's go to our technical analysis. Guys, of course, you can leave me comments everywhere you like. I can help you on my Twitter, on Telegram, everywhere you want. So right now, let's jump to our major support and resistance levels. I got the prices in them in the USD valuation. We are on TradingView in the USD on daily frame. So right now, our major resistance level 3.44, we won't discuss about it right now. We need to see and to maintain this major support level here sits at around 2.4949 USD, around there. It might be 2.50, 2.51, 2.48. Okay, you can understand, guys, we cannot be exactly we cannot have an exact prediction for the support level, but right now you can see our next is 2.30, 2.29, 2.30, around there. I will explain that support level in the 4-hour frame. And of course we have 1.99 or close to 2 USD, $2 USD valuation and 1.66 USD. So right now we need to maintain this support level. And of course I've made this, we can see here the blue line, guys. The blue line is our MACD and the orange line is our signal line. In my previous video for Raincore, I've made a technical analysis explanation if you want to check it out. But right now, let's jump back. We can see this big bullish huge run for Origin because we saw the signal line beyond the blue line, the MACD line. And right now, if we see something like this, will this be a very bearish scenario for the Origin protocol? Will it be like if the blue line crosses the orange line and meet the orange line and then the orange line goes above the blue line, will it be a very bearish scenario? No, because we might see a sideways situation. We might not have a very bearish situation. We might see a sideways situation which is absolutely healthy for a coin, and then we can see them going up again. We can see the blue line going upwards again, but right now we might consolidate for a bit and we might see some sideways situation, but Origin protocol is looking very strong. Right now, guys, I've got the RSI, the commodity channel index, which is between -100 and 100, and the RSI between 30 and 70. 30 and 70, going between 30 and 70 are normal. Are normal numbers, and of course when we maintain this position we don't have any overbought or any oversold situation. We don't have any very clear buying opportunity that we need to put our monies over our investment, or we don't have any clear selling opportunity, of course according to the RSI and the CCI alone. Okay, so right now what I want to show you and why I think Origin protocol remains strong, why I think it remains strong, is because of this support line in the RSI, this blue line, and how we have the same RSI back in 3rd April, the same relative strength index with different prices. You can see same relative strength index, different prices, and you can see that we have the same relative strength index in the 11th April, but we have a higher price. This means, guys, that Origin protocol looks good for the short term. This means that we are very good. We always have to take into consideration the price except the RSI index, not only the relative strength index, but the price as well. So right now you can see here that CCI is pumping more and has a more turning points than RSI, which is more stable because it is more sensitive to the price action. And when it goes up, CCI goes very upwards. You can see here it is going upwards automatically, but relative strength index goes more of a sideways. It is more stable. Okay, so that's why we are seeing both of these indexes. Right now the Bollinger Bands, guys. Let me clear the drawings, let me remove the drawings, and to start here from telling that we are in the bottom, near the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Will we have a higher up now? Will we go like this? We are not sure yet, but it seems likely. We can do that. Because look at this, guys, when we extend the top line, we have a high risk, and then we go and consolidating for a bit. Then we are going up, hitting these Bollinger Bands, then going to consolidate for a bit, and now we're on the bottom. And the reverse thing might happen, we might go a bit upwards, okay? So right now, if we are go a bit upwards for the short term, don't be surprised here in this day. And you can see here, of course, we had the high risk here, we consolidated for a bit. We have the squeeze point where it is a buying opportunity back here then, and of course in the 1st March, in the February, for the midterm, of course we had the squeeze points. And you can see here we have squeeze points between the bullish run. As you can see here, we extend a bit, going backwards, having this huge small candles, as you can see here, having the squeeze point here, and then of course we could move, having again the squeeze point, we could buy here, extending, seeing much higher pump up. It looks very healthy. Origin protocol has very healthy consolidations. It is not like it is going upwards in a moment. It is have new higher highs and new higher lows every time. Look at this, guys. It is very, very good and it's very healthy. And of course, if we can maintain the support levels I will talk about, we can move upwards. Right now, let's go to Origin against Bitcoin. We need to maintain, of course, this support level at 0.0005042. Okay. So right now, or 4 zeros, guys, 4 zeros, so 4 zeros, 42, sorry. So right now, we need to see 50-day EMA maintaining this position beyond the 30-day EMA and the 20-day EMA, doing something like this here, as you can see here, the consolidation, where the 20-day EMA was the resistance part, and we might see it afterwards going upwards again. Let me clear this line and draw another line. We might see it moving upwards, downwards, upwards, hitting the 20-day EMAs, then going upwards again. Same with this scenario here. But we need to see it maintaining their exact positions in order to look strong and going upwards soon. Again, we need to see 20-day EMA above 30-day EMA and above 50-day EMA, because if they cross each other and the 50-day EMA goes above, then we might see a more bearish scenario for the Origin protocol against Bitcoin. That's why those 0.000 it's divided by Bitcoin, its current price divided by Bitcoins, okay? So right now, what we want to see is fueling up, then going upwards again. So Origin protocol against Bitcoin in the daily frame. You can see here, guys, what I'm always talking about, the distance between the 20-day EMA and the price. When we have this huge distance, we consolidate. Same here, guys. We have this huge distance, okay, and now we went down like this. We consolidate, making new higher highs, letting the price, letting the 20-day EMA reaching a bit the price, then consolidating again, consolidating for a bit, going upwards, consolidating now. We need to see them, the 20-day EMA, 50-day EMA, 30-day EMA, 30-day EMA, sorry, and 50-day EMA reaching the price. Then we will see it again, the Origin fueling up, okay? So right now, guys, let's go to the Origin against the USD valuation in the 4-hour frame, and I will explain what I'm hoping for the Origin protocol. Right now, as you can see, we have higher lows and lower highs, higher lows and lower highs. When we see this, this is a good scenario to see it pumping up again, hitting, I think, this resistance level, or might even going upwards. We will see about that. The key point is to maintain this 2.49 USD support level. And right now, I want to see it, when we see this squeeze point here, I want to see it going upwards. If we go upwards from this line, then we will be all set, we will be perfect to go upwards again. And we might do that, guys. In today or tomorrow, we might see it breaking above. We will see about that. We'll see what it will do. We might see it breaking above today, or even tomorrow we will see that, and we might have this breaking point. Of course, we might see it moving downwards, but I don't think this is the case because I have explained to you guys, Origin protocol looks good both with the RSI and the CCI and of course the Bollinger bands. Right now, we need to maintain this level. This is critical support level. Okay, so we might move upwards, testing 20-day EMA, 30-day EMA, having a bit like our resistance point still, we go upwards again. And of course, you can see here 50-day EMA is our current support line. Back here again, it was our current support line. Right now, our current support line, and we might see it moving upwards. We want to remain these positions for 20-day EMA, 30-day EMA, and 50-day EMA. Let's go now to the market cap, and it sits at 500 million, circulating supply 200 million, and $2.58. I love that I see this market cap, it is very cheap, and of course Origin protocol has some huge potential as a coin, it has great features, and I think that it is still cheap. How do we know it is still cheap? According to market cap, if we multiply circulating supply with the dollar price, we get the market cap, and I think it has a good potential, and of course we need demand. Demand is the most important thing for having lower risk and higher rewards in the long term. The higher the demand, the higher the price it will be, except if we get such a strong supply, because in the basic economics, when we have high demand and lower supply, we will get surely a higher price. That's what happens with Bitcoin, guys. Higher demand, institutions go in, and lower supply because of the halving. That's what makes the Bitcoin price going up and up again. And that's what technical analysis for Bitcoin is not always correct, because we have this demand and supply effect. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Having a fantastic day wherever you are, and stay tuned for more. I will upload my altcoin video pretty soon of which I think will have huge potential and which will, I think, increase your portfolio. Okay, I will upload the altcoin video, low risk, high risk altcoins. Thank you so much again. Have a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye.